So you buy some filament, but you want to keep it dry. So you buy a whole bag of this stuff. But you want some way to store it? I got a solution for you. Coming up next. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Canadian Maker Project. My name here is Ron. I am here to help you with your 3D printing questions, obviously ideas, and other things I find along the net. Today, I want to show you this print that I've made. This is the silica gel holder. What this is meant for you to fill it up with silica gel. And when you're ready to not be printing for a long period of time, you just put it inside your spool holder. To the spool like that. And it allows you to keep your filament dry. It's a lot bigger than most of the ones that are out there. Usually the ones I see are small little containers, about a third of this size. This is a fairly big print. And I was looking for something that I could put a lot more gel into, store it over a longer period of time, and still be able to check it and see if it's not changed color or anything like that. And since I have this big container of silica, I figured I should make use of it. So I went looking on Thingiverse and ran into this print right here. Let me just show it to you guys. This is the print right here. This is from Thingiverse, thing number 32222374. And the idea is that you put your silica gel in this and it protects your filament. This print is not hard to do. It just takes a lot longer than normal. My print took approximately about, say, maybe an hour to 2 hours. This was printed with a 0.6 nozzle, and I'll come back and I'll give you a better view of it. But the idea is that you can store your gel in there, store your silica salt gel in there, and you can also print out the unit so you can have a bottom and have it have the temperature. And what that can do, that can tell you the percentage of humidity that's in the roll, all that great stuff. And this guy looks like he has like a resealing tool, so that's kind of nice. But the idea for this one is just to have a way that you can, take your filament and keep it fresh. Now, for myself, like I said, this print is pretty good. There are little goof ups like right there. It didn't turn out too well. But then again, I'm printing with a 0.6 nozzle with a 0.2 layer, with a 0.26 layer height. So little things aren't going to turn out. But all in all, for the rest of the print, as you can see, except for that one part, the rest of the print is flawless. Easy to take apart, easy to fill, easy to close. And then you just throw your silica gel in there, and boom, off to the races you go. Now, this print is something that I was looking at for a long period of time, because sometimes I don't get to filament until a lot longer after I've done tests with it. And I figured, well, if I need a way to store it, this is probably my best way of storing it. Now, whenever I put filament away, I always use a Ziploc bag. Something like this, large one. The only thing is that when I'm putting this stuff away, I like to get all the air out. So I'll be squeezing it, push all the air out. And then I usually throw a small version of this into the bag. But with this big one, I have to put it inside the center of the spool. Like so. And then you just take your filament, put it in the bag. That's it. Fairly simple, very easy thing to print. This took me about, like I said, an hour and a half. I would say it's worth printing for yourself. If this was informative, hey guys, I would love to see if you guys likes, give a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, you know what else you can do. But if you want to comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe helps out the channel immensely. You have no idea how much that helps. And guys, until next time, have fun 3D printing. And if you print one, comment down below. Let me know. Anyways, guys, catch you on the next one. Bye now.